In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube sound not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you're using. So let's say you're trying to watch YouTube videos and you're just getting no sound whatsoever. That could, of course, be very annoying. So what you want to go ahead and do is have like YouTube open, go to whatever video you want. Firstly, hover over your video player. On the bottom left, go ahead and see if it's muted. Like if the scale is all the way to the bottom, you just want to go ahead and increase it. Also, pressing M on your keyboard is going to mute it. So try and press M, and then you should want the icon to be like this, and then it should be fine. What you also want to do is go to the top left and click on your tab. Now, if your tab is muted, it's going to look like this. So if you see unmute site, go ahead and click on that, and then that should work for you. The final thing we want to do is go over to press these three little dots, then click on settings, then go over to privacy and security, and you're going to see a lot of different things, but go to site settings, go over to content, and then go to additional content settings, and then you want to go over to sites that can play sound, and yeah, you just want to make sure that that is turned on, and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.